Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. Today we are going to start unit number 1 from your textbook, that is the human body. A is the name of the topic clearly show you that in this chapter we will study about the human body, its different organs and systems related to that. Okay, we will start our adventure through science with you. You are a human, so let's look at the human body. Okay, we all are humans, so we will study the human body here, the different important organs. Okay, so the first one, the most important, is brain. We will start at the top of your body. Okay, we will take start from the top. सबसे ऊपर आपके body में the highest part is your head. Okay, and in your head there is skull, and in the skull what is present? Brain is present. Okay, as you know that where your brain is, आपको अच्छी तरह पता है आपका brain कहाँ है. Your brain helps you to speak and think. It helps you to balance and move. ठीक है, here's how it works. Now what is the function of your brain? Your brain helps you that how you are going to speak and how you are going to think and what stuff you are going to speak and what you are thinking. Okay, it is also controlling your balance and your movements. Okay, when you are moving from one place to another, it also controls your balance. Okay, your balance of body. Okay, your brain is smarter than any computer ever built. Okay, your brain is smarter than ever computer built. Okay, कोई भी ऐसा कंप्यूटर अभी तक नहीं बना जो कि हमारे ब्रेन से भी ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो. ठीक है, नो कंप्यूटर इज़ मोर स्मार्टर देन अवर ब्रेन. ओके, it is receiving messages from your sense organs and other parts of your body all the time. Okay, what the brain is doing, it is receiving messages from all the parts of human body and is going to coordinate that messages. ठीक है, it is going to process that messages and then to send a proper response to the outer stimulus or the outer whatever the change is. Okay, so it takes no time to tell your body what to do. Okay, it means that the brain is giving us quick response. ठीक है, there is no wastage of time. It do not take much time. It takes no time to tell your body what to do. It also makes your body think and speak. Okay, we can think, we can speak. Why? Because we have brain. Okay, well developed brain. Okay, the biggest part of your brain is called the cerebrum. Okay, the biggest part is, what is the biggest part of your brain? Cerebrum. It is divided into two halves. Cerebrum के दो parts होते हैं. ठीक है, दो इस तरह halves होते हैं. ठीक है, it is divided into two halves. One on the right side, the other on the left side. ठीक है, एक हिस्सा जो है वो right side का है, दूसरा जो है left side का है. ठीक है, the right side helps you to think about things like colors, music and shape. Right side of the cerebrum controls what? It controls the thinking about colors, music and shapes. The left side helps you with all the brainy things like maths and science, words and language. Okay, so the things concerned with your memory, the things concerned with your understanding, that all are controlled by the left side of your cerebrum. Okay, so the right side of your body controls the right side of your brain controls the left side of your body. आपके cerebrum की जो right side है, ठीक है, वो आपकी body की left side को control करती है, और आपकी जो cerebrum की जो left side है वो आपकी body का right side जो है वो control करती है. ठीक है, so this is the function of right side of the cerebrum and left side of the cerebrum. Okay, so why do you think your head is so hard? It is not just so you don't hurt yourself when you head a football. Your head protects your brain. That is why it is so hard. Okay, here they are giving a simple concept that why your head is hard, because inside our head there is skull, and skull is a bony structure that is very hard and it provides protection to the brain. Okay, a very clear concept. Nothing is difficult here. Okay, answer the questions. What is the cerebrum? What does it do? Okay, from here you can write answer. The biggest part of your brain is called cerebrum. It is divided into two halves and it controls thinking and color and music and other mathematical things and science related and language related things. Okay, what is the difference between the left side of your cerebrum and right side of your and the right side? Okay, so we have clearly read about the last and the second last paragraph. Okay, last and second last paragraph we studied about the right side and left side of cerebrum, so you can clearly find out your answer and write in your notebook in your own words. Okay, thank you.